Today we discuss tautology and contradiction of a compound preposition. Consider a compound preposition. It's a compound of elemental prepositions P1, P2, etc. Pn. It is represented as P is equal to P of P1, P2, etc. Pn. Where P1, P2, etc. Pn are elemental prepositions. That compound preposition becomes a tautology if it is true for every assignment. If it is false for every assignment, if it assigns false value for every assignment, then that is a contradiction. If it is false for every assignment. Okay. Here, P and negation P are two prepositions. P or negation P, it's a compound statement. Compound statement means it's a combination of 1, 2 or a finite number of prepositions. Combination of finite number of prepositions is called a compound statement. Here it is a compound statement. P or negation P. We know that if P is true, negation P is false. P is false, negation P is true. Then what about P or negation P? We know that the connectivity or becomes false only when the two statements are false. Here no two statements are false. So P or negation P is true. So this is a tautology. This compound statement P or negation P is a tautology. What about P and negation P? True and false is false. Also false and true is false. So P and negation P is false. So this compound statement P and negation P is a contradiction. So if a compound statement is a tautology means the truth table in the truth table of that compound statement all the truth values are true. If a statement is a contradiction, if a compound statement is a contradiction, then its truth values is false. Okay. Show that the formula Q or P and negation Q or negation P and negation Q is a tautology. We make the truth table by first column P, second column Q, and the third column negation P, fourth column negation Q, fifth column is P and negation Q, and the sixth column is negation P and negation Q. Then we write these two. So here it is P and negation Q or negation P and negation Q. Then the given statement Q or P and negation Q and negation P and negation Q. So P and Q are true. First one is true, second one is false. First one is false and second one is true. Both are false. What about the column negation P? P is true, then negation P is false. P is true, negation P is false. It is false, then the negation P is true. P is false, negation P is true. Similarly, negation Q becomes false, true, false, true. What about P and negation Q? P and negation Q, combining these two columns, we get when we operate and both the statements are true only when the statement becomes true. So here in the second row, P is true and negation Q is true. So P and negation Q is true. In all other cases, P and negation Q becomes false. What about negation P and negation Q? Consider the columns negation P and negation Q. Here also, in the last row, negation P and negation Q are true. So the statement is true in the last row. In other cases, it is false. Then next column, P and negation Q or negation P and negation Q. Consider the last two columns and operate with OR. We know that if two statements join with OR, the statement is false only when the two statements are false. Here in the first row, the two statements are false, so the first row becomes false. All other rows are true. Now the statement is Q OR. So we combining the second column and this last column. We take the columns OR. T or false. True or false is true. False or true is true. True or true is true. And false or true is true. So the statement is true in all the cases. So this given statement is a tautology. The negation of a tautology is always a contradiction. Similarly, the negation of a contradiction is always a tautology. For example, we consider a preposition P and its negation P. What about P? If P is true, negation P is false, and P is false, negation P is true. Then P or negation P. P or negation P is true. So P or negation P is a tautology. What about the negation of P or negation P? It's definitely a contradiction. So negation of a contradiction is a tautology and the negation of a tautology is a contradiction. Then we consider a tautology. A compound statement P of P1, P2, etc. Pn is a tautology. Then P of Q1, Q2, etc. Qn is also a tautology where Q1, Q2, etc. Qn are any set of preposition. This is known as principle of substitution. Okay. For example, P or negation P is a tautology. We know from here P or negation P is a tautology. We replace the statement P by any other statement like P or Q and R. Let it be P. And its negation. Here negation of P or Q and R. That is, this bracket is the negation of this. So P or negation P is a tautology. Similarly, this P or Q and R or negation P, negation of P or Q and R is also a tautology. That is, we substitute P as P or Q and R, we becomes the same truth table. Okay, so that principle is known as principle of substitution. Okay. Today we discussed about tautology and contradiction. All the statements are not tautology, not contradiction. One other case arises, the statement or a compound preposition which are neither tautology nor contradiction is known as contingency. A statement which is not tautology, not contradiction, that is called as contingency. Okay. Check the following statements are tautologies or contradictions or contingency. Okay. First statement is P conditional negation Q, conditional negation P. So P, Q, negation P, negation Q, P conditional negation Q, and P conditional, negation Q, negation P are the statements. P conditional, negation Q, conditional, negation P. Okay. Both are true. First one is true, second is false, false true, and false false. What about negation P? It is false. Here the first two are true. In negation P it is false. Here both are false. So in negation P it is true. Similarly in negation Q, false, true, false, true. P conditional, negation Q. P conditional, negation Q. We know that by the property of conditional, first one is true and second one is false, then it is false. In negation Q, first one is true and second one is false, or here it is false. In all other cases, it is true. But in the last column, P conditional, negation Q, conditional P. So the first statement is P conditional, negation Q, and the second condition is negation P. False implies false is true. True implies false is false. True implies true is true, and true implies true is true. So this is not a tautology, not a contradiction. So this statement is a contingency. Consider another question. P conditional, P or Q. P, Q. Both are true. First one is true, second one is false. First one is false, second one is true. Both are false. What is P or Q? True, true, true and false. P conditional, P or Q. P conditional, P or Q. Consider these two columns. True, conditional, true, that is the conditional statement is false only when the first statement is true and the second statement is false. Here in no cases the first one is true and second one is false. Here also first one is true and true, true and true, false and true, and false and false. So all the statements are true. So this statement is a tautology. So this statement is a tautology because all the truth values are truth. Consider another problem, negation Q, conditional P and Q. Here P, Q, negation Q, conditional P, negation Q, conditional P and Q. True, 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 false, false, true, and both are false. What about negation Q? False, true, here it is false, true, true, false and true. Negation Q, conditional P. Negation Q, conditional P is false only in the last row because the first statement is negation Q, here it is true, and the second statement is P, here it is false. So true, conditional, false is false. All other cases are true. What about negation Q, conditional P and Q? Here we consider these two columns and take join by and. True and true, false and true, true and true, false and false. So in this statement also first one is true, all other cases are false. So this statement is also a contingency. Next statement is P conditional, Q conditional P and negation P and Q. P, Q, negation P, Q conditional P, negation P and Q. Then Q conditional P and negation P and Q. both are true. First one is true, second one is false. First is false, second is true, both are false. What about negation P? False, false, true, true. Q conditional P. What about Q conditional P? Q conditional P is false only in the third statement. True conditional false is false. All other cases it is true. Negation P and Q. Negation P and Q. Third and first row, first column taking and. So here true and false is false. True and false is false. False and true is false. False and true is false. So here all the elements are false. Then we take AND operation with the last two columns. Definitely all the elements are false because false and any truth value is false. So this statement is a contradiction.